Hello, my name's Arabella and I'm 10 years old and I'm going to be showing you how to do your home test in INR. Now I'm going to wash my hands for at least 20 seconds. So I'm going to show you how to set up your equipment. So first you need to get the bag and the bag. And then you want to get the monitor out. And then the strips out. And then you want to get your pen out. And then get a yellow needle. And then take the lid off the pen. And then put the yellow needle in. And then twist it and there'll be a needle underneath. And then put it on until it clicks. And then put it on at least in the middle of 4 and 5. And then press this, like the end bit. And then there will be that button that shines yellow and press that. So where the arrows are, you just put the strip in until it turns on. And then wait. And then on the thing, the code should be right on the strip pop. And then get the little yellow button and then choose your finger, that one. And then put it on like that and then press the yellow button. And then if no really blood has come out, then just like without touching it, just carefully massage it till it comes out. Try not to touch the blood. So once you have enough blood, then go and put it like that. So get a bit of tissue or any cotton or anything to keep it to stop it bleeding, and then it's good to be able to do it at home because you don't have to come to the hospital like for a lot of appointments.